here in Abu Dhabi.
Udrive is a ride-sharing app here in the UAE. It's one of the fastest and easiest and one of the cheapest way to go around here in the UAE. You simply download the app and register, and once approved, you can easily book your car. Just look for a car nearby, and once you click in your car, you can just enter your PIN, and voila, you'll be driving around town. And you get charged by a minute every time you drive. And when you're not driving after you park, you won't get charged.
You found it. You found the car. So you found the car.
This one.
That's how you unlocked it. Click unlock, and then it turns to a key and it will unlock. Press this and it will open the car. There you go.
Ta-da!
Okay, so after opening the car, the key will be right here. So we're gonna enter the PIN.
Please open the glove box and follow the instructions on the keypad.
Now the PIN will be emailed to you. I will now enter the PIN. Any visible damages? Nope. Please rate from 1. Okay, good. Please take the key. 2. Okay, now we start the engine. So with this Udrive, you don't have to worry about refilling gas, refilling petrol, because you can go to any petrol station, to any gas station, and they will refill it for free. So when you finish driving, all you have to do is remove the key, put it back in the keypad, put the key back here.
Please take all your personal belongings with you and lock the car with your card from the outside. Thank you for driving with us.
Okay, and put it back. Okay, we're gonna go out, get all your stuff. To end the trip, click the lock button. End the trip. No damages, click next, and the key will come out again, and click lock. Now the car will lock. There. Now the car is locked. And it's finished.
Okay, that's all for now.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.
And don't forget the little bell notification icon. So, see you guys again soon. Bye!